Hi guys, greetings to you all. Once again, you are welcome to joykichenbcn. You are welcome to another exciting video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can prepare your plantain, your ripe plantain and gizzard sauce. Can you see the basic recipe? They are super easy, delicious, wonderful, so yummy. You can make it as a dinner for your kids, your family. So let's get started together without wasting time, because I am about to eat. In fact, my throat is on it already. Alright guys, let's dive into it. Are you ready? So this is the ripe plantain I'm going to be using. It's really super, wow, not too soft. So this is my gizzard, a pinch of salt. This is my prawn. Can you see the Maggie cube that I'm going to be using? Star and none. So I'm going to be using 1.5. 3 pieces of garlic. 1 scotch bonnet pepper, because I don't really want it to be too pepperish, so that the kids can be able to enjoy it also. So this is the thyme. I'm going to be using 2 types of thyme. Powdered garlic also, a little bit, and 2 big onions. And this is curry. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to dice this gizzard. So I'll be cutting it into 3 or 4 pieces, but you can cut it into any shape or any size of your choice, just how you like it. If I make it more bigger, more smaller, I am done. Okay, can you see? So the next thing now, I will just dice the garlic and the onions. I guess you are watching. So you can also dice it any shape, any size of your choice. It's your food. Can you see the scotch bonnet pepper? I will also dice it. Once I am done, I will take it to my clean pot. And the gizzard is also already clean also. It's already washed. So I'm going to be seasoning now. So I will start with the onions. Just keep washing. This is the scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, thyme. A pinch of salt, not really much, just a little, so that it will not be too salty. And this is the garlic, the curry, a cube of Maggie also. And here is the garlic also, the powder one, a little bit. So once I am done adding every seasoning that I want to add that you have seen, so I will stir it thoroughly together, and I'm going to take it to my gas, so that place might not display, so but without water. The next thing, I will peel my plantain. I will also dice it into a smaller shape also. You can as well dice yours to your any shape you desire it. Please feel free to check my description box. Everything that I'm going to be using, it will be there for you, okay? And if you have any question, just feel free also. And most time I normally see people, their question normally come to my email. So, and I do respond, and many have requested some certain things also that I should please teach. And within a short period, they will see it as well, okay? Don't be patient with me. By the grace of God and the help of God, we have a lot. I hope you are just watching. So I'm done adding a pinch of salt. So the gizzard is fully ready. Can you see it? So this is the water that is generated without adding water to it. Can you see it? So I will just go ahead and hot my oil. Once it's ready, I will start to fry. I will start with the plantain. Oh guys, this is really super yummy. Hey guys, if you have not tried this gizzard sauce with plantain, in fact, you are missing. Oh, just give it a try. In fact, you might not even think of eating any other type of plantain again except this using this system. Okay, so I'm started frying my gizzard. So while that one is frying, so the next thing, and I will just go ahead and dice my tomato. Guys, I hope you are going to try it. Please, you can forward this one to your friend, your loved ones. Share with them. This is just free. This is something you can learn in your comfort of your home. Can you see how I dice it? So share, share, share. So the gizzard is fully ready. Guys, so it's super yummy. So I also put that one aside. I will start to fry my vegetable now. Can you see the oil? It's not really too much, just a little. So the oil I've already hot, but not really too much. I don't really want the oil to bleach because I'm not going to use it to fry something. Okay, just how you desire it. But for me, I prefer that it is not really too hot. As if I'm using it to fry like plantain and not the rest. So I will allow it to steam for a few minutes. I'll add my tomato. Okay, so I will also my cube of Maggie also. I will also add it. You can leave it for a while or you add it immediately. And this is the prompt. I will also be adding it also. So in this point, I'm not going to be adding too much seasoning. If you watch, I have a lot of seasoning to the gizzard that I prepared. So that one is already has a lot of spices already, and it tastes so yummy. So can you see it? So this is a kilo of gizzard that I prepared. So after preparing it, can you see now it's not really much again. So but because of the ingredient that I prepare it with, guys, if you are close to this gizzard, if you are close to it, before you will even use it to prepare your sauce or whatsoever, you will see that you have already finished half of it. If you go there, come back, you come for one. Guys, it's so sweet. Try it. Just give it a try. Okay, you will love it. So can you see the sauce is progressing? Once it's almost done, I will just add it and I will keep stirring. So now, can you see it? Can you see how lovely and colorful it looks like? So how will I know that my sauce is ready? As I keep turning, and I will use this. Once I see that there's no longer liquid coming out from it, the only thing I'm not seeing is now oil. Know that your sauce is ready. Okay. And secondly, you also taste. If you see that there is no need of adding anything also, know that it's ready. If there is a need, you also add anything that you think is necessary. And the sauce is much. I will take a little out from it. Can you see it? And this one, you can use it to mush your yam, your bread, your rice. Just name it. Guys. Hey, guys, it's super delicious. It's not really because I am the one preparing. That is what I'm praising it to. I know what I am saying. If you try this, if you try this recipe, I know you have been eating plantain, you have tried it, but if you try this method, guys, you might end up eating plantain every two days in your house. Can you see how lovely it is? Seeing it alone. In fact, if we are doing fasting, don't go close to it. This one is a temptation on its own. Okay, so I'm about to serve. In fact, I can't wait to start eating it. Oh, it look good. It look good. So as I said before, I can also add a little bit of rice. I can serve with rice because it's a sauce. Also, you can serve with yam. You can also serve with bread. Okay, guys, it's important to enjoy. It's very, very important. Okay, so can you say when you are eating this kind of good food, In fact, and your kids, they will be so happy. That is the truth. Your husband, if you are married, he will be so happy with you. Before you to eat outside, you will find it difficult because you know that mommy will prepare nice food in the house. Can you see it? Can you see how lovely it is? There is no one you will give this kind of delicious meat to, he will reject it. It's not possible. Guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Please share. Bye bye.